find it anywhere.
Oh, yeah, I know. I heard that too.
In the video?
Yeah, he did say that.
I have done it all, and I don't remember. Like it's been a couple of years at least since I've done any of this, and so you don't you don't remember the finer points. I can figure it out. I just haven't figured it out yet.
Okay. Because I opened the Excel and was trying to figure out what tabs you go under. But that's right. That's what he said is in the video. Although it almost seems like somebody said what tabs you use, but I couldn't find them.
When you open up Excel,
Yeah.
oh, I don't know what you have. What do you see on your home screen? Do you see that E symbol?
Um, so I'm on the page where I have my tabs. I thought it might be under data or under formulas.
Mine's under home.
Oh, it's under home.
And
Okay.
that has standard deviation, and that if you go to under more functions, it has standard deviation, and
Okay,
it
let's
has
see. Under more functions. Let's see. Conditional formatting, cell styles, auto sum, sort and find. Ooh.
But basically, you create your table, right? And then you put in your numbers. Like how to add up your numbers. You click on the number, and then you control click on the next one or whatever.
No,
And then
I haven't. Let me take notes on that because I actually have never done any kind of computing in Excel. So you open format as a table?
I'll email it to you.
Okay.
So no. Well, you can, but you could even just put like under B, the heading is, whatever. You just I'm trying to think of how to tell you. Let me see if I can show my screen on here. I think there's a way to show my screen. Settings. Screen share. Okay, can you see my screen?
No, let me minimize this just 1 second. Okay. Yes.
Okay, so can you do you have a table perhaps you could read me so I can fill something in?
No, but maybe there's something on the homework quiz.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I just need to write in the table so I can show you. I just can't. Oh, let me.
Yeah, I don't know what I would have here. Ooh, that's a beautiful picture. Look at that.
Lovely.
What's that? What's that called?
That's Simon Dewey. Or no, that's not Simon Dewey. It's Greg Olson. And what is it called? I don't remember what it's called.
Oh, that's beautiful. I've never seen that. Ooh.
It's one of his newer ones.
Oh, okay. Ooh, beautiful.
Okay, just let me. Okay, so basically, I'll just show you. It's all basically the same. So, oh, let's say these are cats.
Okay.
Oh, no, wait. Let me. How many inches tall is a cat? Maybe 8? 8, 10, 9. These numbers are going to be off, but whatever.
Okay. Yeah.
And then their weights are, 11, 22. so we have all of our columns, right? So then what you're going to do
Right.
is you're going to push equals.
Now, where's the equals? Oh, just on the,
Yeah.
okay.
Just push equals, and then
Okay.
you can add all of your numbers. Oops, sorry. Before, let me see. Before plus, and then you can even, oops, just drag them all down, and it'll do all of them for you, all the ones you want. Okay. You know what? I just did this wrong. Sorry. Let me think. I haven't set this one up. Okay. So equals, and then let's say we want the standard deviation.
So where did you, so what did you push under that? How'd you go from the equal sign to the standard deviation?
So I know the code for standard deviation is STDEV. So I'm going to
STDED.
DEV.
Oh, DEV.
If you can see it on my.
Yeah, no, I can see it. But how did you, what did you, so you did equal sign, and then how did that for standard deviation come
I just
up?
started typing it. So I just put.
Oh,
And
okay.
it just pops up right up. And then
Okay.
you click on the top number and you drag it down and you push enter. And that's your standard deviation.
Oh,
And then what's the
wow.
next one we need? We need the variance maybe.
Okay.
I think it's VARP. Calculates variance based on the entire population. So that's what we want. So we click on VARP. And then we click on, again, the top number. Oops, nope, that's not what I want. Click on the top number, and we just drag it down. It'll put all the numbers in, push enter. That's, so then you would put, standard dev, so you know what you're talking about, variance, and then we need the mean, right?
Oh, huh.
Then, so again, once again, equals, if it comes, no. What is mean? Median, mid, oh, it's probably average. Yeah, so it's average to the mean.
Okay. I'll fool around with that.
And then you just, oops. Okay, equals average, and then you just, again, once, oh, why are you not working? Equals. Anyway, it is technically easy to set up, although it's not working right now. But that's basically all you do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will go back and see what kind of things were in the video. So one of those videos was a lot more helpful than the other one. I think it was the one on the bottom that said if you get any of these wrong, go watch this one. So I just thought I'd watch it anyway, but.
Oh, I didn't even watch that. I should look it up. It seems so self-explanatory to me that I didn't,
Yeah.
I didn't double click it. That's why it wasn't working.
Oh, okay.
So
you have to, okay. Oh,
so,
nice.
yeah, when you find the value you want to put in, you can also use this for like addition, subtraction, multiplication. You can just use this as a calculator.
Oh my gosh. Well, that is very helpful. So what do you double click on?
So, like, let's say you wanted to put in standard deviation.
You have to double click on it.
Yeah, when you click, like instead of one clicking, you have to double click standard deviation.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
Okay.
I'm going to stop screen sharing.
And so where is your screen? Let's see. It's oh, there it is. Screen share. Okay. That's how to do it. I never tried it before, but that's good to know. All right. So let's see if we can get our homework done. I mean, our homework quiz done. Now, the other thing I have a question about is how much stuff, if we need to do something in the questions and conversations, or only if we need to. I hate to check it off. I just kind of go there and look and see what's there. But I I don't know. Every once in a while I post something, but I'm not really
What's your
posting
question?
much.
The questions and answers part?
Well, yeah, I don't know. I just feel bad checking it if I've only visited there and haven't posted anything, but I guess you're
You
just
don't have
supposed to go there
You're
and
not,
look.
yeah, you're not graded on it. And like today I went in and I
Mhm.
just double checked that everybody had a reply and everyone had a reply. So then I was like, okay, I don't have to do anything. Like
Okay.
yeah, and it seems like the teacher and the TA both go through and reply to everything too. So
Okay, so I did this one. So there's the group meeting quiz. All right, so that's what we need to do. Is it May 3rd already? Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
yep.
Okay, so are we ready to start?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, I should well, I don't have my calculator here. Oh well, maybe I'll have to run and go get it.
You can always Google. You just type it into Google and it'll calculate for you.
Okay. Oh, all right. So give all probability answers as decimals. Do not give them as percents. Okay. So human blood can be classified into one of our basic types, A, O, B, AB. The proportion of people in the population in the United States with each of these blood types is summarized in the following table. Okay. So in a probability distribution, it would have to equal 1. Is that true?
Yes.
All right. So
85 plus
85.
11 is 96 plus point. No, it's not. No, yeah, it is. It is 96 plus 0.04 is 100. So it is a probability distribution.
Okay. That's what I was thinking. So probability distribution equals 1.
The probability that a randomly selected person in the US has O blood, that's 0.45, right?
Yeah. We don't have to
Okay.
do anything else to that?
I know, I'm like, this seems so easy, but I can't figure out what else you would do to figure that out.
What is the probability? What else would we need to do there? Because it says round to 2
Decimal places. So
decimal places.
looking through the textbook, finding standard deviation, variance.
Randomly selected person. Randomly selected person in the United States. I mean, so that just really seems like, isn't that the point? Is that 45% of people have, or no, 0.4. Yeah, so that's 45% of people have type O. Okay, you want to just put that in
I
there?
think yeah, it's got to be 0.45. I mean, I just don't know what else you
This
would
is
do.
just,
Like,
I mean,
okay,
it's just so, I mean, this is just, it seems way too easy. But maybe they're just trying to make
Yeah,
sure
it's
that
so
we get what that means, just what the chart means.
okay. I mean, the weird thing is this is stuff we use all the time. We all look at charts that have statistics on it.
All right. Oh, so
But
we'll not
think
have
it's
type
0.45.
O blood. Well, all right. So then that we have to figure out that it would be 55%, right? Or 0.55.
Yeah, that's what I guessed.
Okay. Well, and then maybe having that 0.45 up above, then that guides us in an orderly fashion to find the right answer. So maybe they're just kind of giving us a, can I put a decimal point in there? Okay. All right. Use the following information to ask the next two questions. Do you mind if I read it out loud, or is that bothering you?
No, you're good.
Okay. Carolyn Willis
we're on
and her.
the same page.
Okay, so I'm on question.
Yeah, on 6. I am too.
Okay. Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. That's so fascinating. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. Okay. So if the dogs guess at random, oh, this is great. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient?
0.143.
Okay, so and you arrived at that from the
1 out of 7.
There's 1 out of 7 chances, right? Okay, and that's just the okay. Okay.
I like the next question. In a combined total 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from cancer patients 22 times, which is incredible. It's unlikely the dog would do this well by random chance alone. It's unlikely this dog would do it by random chance alone. Which of the famous statements is most appropriate? Is provide strong evidence the dogs can detect bladder cancer, or there's little evidence? They just told you the answer in their question.
Well, oh yeah, it is very unlikely that because it did say that. Oh well, I hope the homework quiz is like this. I don't know.
I know, right? I hope so. I feel frustrated when they give you all this really easy work and then your quiz is like really hard and you're like, well, I didn't get to practice any hard stuff, you know? Like, how am I supposed to do it now when I'm being tested?
Right.
Oh, yeah, I wish I had a calculator in front of me too. Okay, here, I'll do this in Excel. Can you read me the numbers of the
Okay.
different colors of Oreos. It's like 0.13.
Or M&Ms, yes. So the brown, do you have to put the color in?
Yeah.
Brown
Sure, I
is
will.
0.13.
Mhm.
Yellow is 0.14.
Mhm.
Red is 0.13.
Mhm.
Blue 0.24. And orange
24?
24. 24. And then orange is 0.20.
I'll have. In a sec, I'm adding it up right now.
All right, so then they have crossed out the green, but we can assume that that would be whatever it is that would equal 100, right?
0.1.
Let's see.
It's all those numbers added up to 0.84. So
Okay.
the probability of a green one is 0.16. Oh, that's question 9, not question 8.
Yeah.
Okay, and then they want to know the probability of a red color candy, 0.13. Now, this is so easy. It's like, am I really doing this right? And then 0.6.
Well, it's good we get a chance to check it.
Yeah.
Okay, that is green. Okay, and so that one, so you ran that through, and what did it say?
So all those numbers together came to 0.84.
Yeah, so then that would be 0.16, right?
0.16.
Okay.
Yep.
And there's not round to 2 decimal places. That's a little not necessary to put. Okay, and what is the
just put that at the beginning of the test.
Huh?
I just wish they'd put it at the beginning. For all answers, please round to 2 decimal places. You know,
Oh,
like,
yes, that's right. Okay. Oh, and then all we have to do is what is the probability that a random selected candy is not green, which is 0.84.
Yep.
Okay, so we've got some more questions. I was hoping that was it. Okay, so just 3 more. The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university were taken from CAPEX. Okay.
Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
All right, so then that would be the median.
Yep, so 5.
24. What?
2, 3. I'm just going like biggest number to smallest and counting them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth number is 22.
Well, isn't the median in the chart? Wouldn't that be the 24?
Oh, haha, I didn't even read the left side. I thought they were talking about different universities, not the mean, the standard, and the median. You're right, the median is 24.
Okay.
I just didn't read what it was saying. I thought they were listing universities.
Okay. All right. Well, I know. It's almost like this is too easy. Oh, good heavens. Okay, but that's all I'm thinking is that the next lesson this week's going to be really hard. Okay.
Maybe.
But you know what?
Top
It has been interesting because I feel my mind expanding. Like when I first read through the material, I don't get it. It doesn't make a lot of sense, certain parts of it. But then as I read it over a couple times, all of a sudden it starts to make sense. So, all right, based on the information on the table, the top 25% of the students scored above what number? Okay, so then we are going to look for quartile 3, which is 27.
No, 25%.
Huh? Isn't that what it asked for?
No, the top 25.
Yeah, but they would be in quartile
The
70
top
and the
25.
75th. They would be in the 75th percentile.
Oh, I'm so tired. By the time I get to the meetings with you, I'm so tired. I am glad that you
Okay. All right. Well, that's there we go. Okay. So 27.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay, this one should be easy. Which one of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability?
If a probability is high, then the probability is positive.
Okay, that's easy. Okay, well, there we go. All right, so then I get the pleasure of
You did it first.
submitting it tonight. Okay, so let me I hope I marked everything right. All right, let's see. So funny that they make you click 3 times.
I know, right?
Okay, so number 1 is right. Number 2 is right. Number 3 is right. Number 4 is right. Number 5 is right. Number 6 is right. Number 7 is right. 8's right. 9's right. 10's right. 11, 12, and 13. We got 100%. 15 out of 15. Yay.
Easy.
Okay. Okay. Well, I am really thinking that I might do better in this class being structured this way than actually having somebody teaching on the board, because that way I can go back and read through it myself several times and then do the 2 different assignments to do. And I don't know, this
I
just
have to
seems
say
like
the way that BYU structured their math classes. They just really build on top of each other well, and it never gets overwhelming. And you can go back through and back through. I love the way that, and there's lots of resources. I just think they've done a great job with their math classes.
Okay. Well, that's good. Well, let me see if I can
I'm stopping